Hey guys, it's been a long time since I took my last video, but this is my first creating an airplane video, and be sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you like it. Okay, so, oh yeah, first I had to like that, then I have to tilt my camera over. Yeah. Once you have yours ready, you have to fold yours back like this and like so. Crease it, then open it back up, then fold this corner, this end right here, into this corner, this end right here. So I'm going to take this and push it all the way towards here. Make sure it's all straight lined up and crease it down really hard. The same things for the other side. Take this end corner, put it at this end corner. Now we have the normal classic fold. That's what they do for practically every airplane. I have no idea why. Next, fold this thing into. I know it's starting to look more like a dot, but trust me, it's different and it flies better. Okay. And then after that, no wait, I'm still not done. Okay. And after that, open this just a little bit. Okay, I'll tilt it so that you can see it better. Then you see this little flap. Open it out, and then make something like this. Then, if you see this line right through the middle, fold it until that line to get this. Do the same thing to the other side. And then it'll look like it's covering it. You take the top fold off, then fold it back. Then, after you're done with two sides, actually that was a pretty long time, I apologize for that. Fold it back here to sort of get a hammerhead kind of look, like a hammer, like you're fixing something. Okay, I got my hammerhead position wrong. Make yours as sharp as yours can be. That's the only way to make it good. Then slant one of these edgy corners down. Make sure you don't bring this part of the paper with it. Just stretch it down until here. There's a tiny line here. And then get the other one and stretch it down as far as you can without leaving a bump and without passing this big triangle. Then after that, fold yours a little bit. I recommend folding until your smallest one. So for me that is around here. So then I have to fold until that. Then I have to take this and use it to fake it out, buff it out. And as you can see, the insides look really different from the dot. Not so much over here, but it definitely looks different up here, where it's all, like that. Then here comes the part that all airplanes mostly have too. This, and make sure it doesn't get to your hard part. And then fold the wings. Actually, make sure it can get to the hard part if yours can. Just fold yours down like this. I recommend giving bigger wing and shorter holders, but I just like to use this. Then here's the weird part that you also don't normally use. You have to take this and then fold it over big. The same thing to the other one. Okay. After like that, your plane should look like this. Then near the edges here, you have to lip until you get to the bump that we made here. That's why we made those. Okay, do the same thing to the other side. So then until it gets to the other bump, not the same bump that we used with that one. Okay, that will make your best ears in flight. Like this. And yeah, that's pretty much all of it. So here's how it flies. Actually, this bedroom is pretty much like actually there's a big open space outside, so then I have to just go get it outside. You can skip the video if you want. You can skip the video if you want. Like and subscribe, people. Okay? Yeah. Finally, I'm a really fast runner actually. So it'll probably take an even longer time for you. Okay, experiment, create, and fly. And that's it. I'll be seeing you guys next time I make a video.